Okay guys, in this video, I wanted to cover a body weight strength training workout to help strengthen your legs for Muay Thai. This is part of the series I mentioned in one of my previous videos, where I was going to go over some great workouts and exercises to help give you stronger legs for Muay Thai and kickboxing, and your martial arts overall. So let's get started. Now, let me explain in this video, this is not a follow-along workout. If we did that, this video would be 30 minutes. So I'm going to do my best to just show the exercises, give you the rep counts and the sets, and then you can go on and do the workout on your own. Now, after I show the exercise, I give you the reps and the sets, feel free to pause the video and then knock out the sets before moving on to the next exercise. So let's get started with how I warm up. When it's a body weight leg day, I like to warm up with kickouts, okay? That warms up all this on the outsides of my leg, okay? So I do, 10 kickouts on each leg, pointing my toes, 10 solid kickouts. From there, I like to do the rotations I showed in my high kick, how to strengthen your high kick video, right? 10 clockwise, 10 counterclockwise. You'll start to feel the burn up here in your abductors. Make sure you do that on both legs. From there, I want to get my ankles, my knees, and my lower back. So I'm going to get down into an Asian squat or passive squat, okay? I'm going to move around, get some ankle mobility going. You'll feel, if you sit your butt real low, you'll feel your back decompressing. So you're kind of loosening up your back, your lower back, which is important for me. Then to fire my knees or get my knees primed for all the lunges and squats and all the leg workouts that we're going to do, leg exercises, I'm going to do these pulses. So like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do 10 of these. And those, I love those. Those just get my knees ready. From here, I just put my hands on the ground. It's like a good stretch again. My lower back and my hamstrings are now engaged. And then I come down. That's 1. 2. 3. I'm going to do that 10 times. Now, the next 2 movements or exercises can be considered part of the warm-up, but you're going to feel them, so you can consider them part of the workout. First one, you're going to squat and kick out, right? So you get some air squats to prime yourself, get yourself ready for squats or the leg workout itself, or like I said, you can consider this as part of the workout. So squat down, and then I kick out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just do 1 set of 10. If you want, you could do 2 sets of 10. Next, you're going to want to do some in-place lunges, lunging in place. So get a nice lunging stance, right? And you want to control the lunge. Nice and slow, barely touching the floor. Okay? 3, 4. You're going to do 10 on each side. Again, what I like to do with my hand placement while I'm doing these is I put one hand on my glute and one hand on my hamstring. Not only helps with my balance, but I feel the muscles engaging. And that's what we call sensory activation. Primes my body to engage the proper muscles during these exercises. You can do 1 or 2 sets on each leg. Now, one of my favorite exercises that always hits, man, are these walking lunges. So what I do is I take a lunge and I come straight up, I go back down, and then I bring my foot back up. Again, take a lunge, straight up, back to standing position or starting position. Lunge, straight up, back to starting position. Man, I'm telling you, you feel these. So for this exercise, with the mat space that I have, I just go down and back 2 times. Going down is about 6, so coming back is 6, or I tend to do 5 and 5, so let's just call it 10, okay? One whole movement is 1, so that was 1, right? So this would be another rep, which is 2. So 5 down, 5 back is 10. So you do 2 sets of 10. The next exercise in this workout is going to be a lunge with a knee, right? So I stand here, come back into my lunge, knee, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna do 5 on each leg. 1, 2, 3. Now, you may have balance issues when you start this. I did. When I come back, if I have a balance issue, I step here, just a quick toe tap, okay? If you have to. But try your hardest to get all one motion. So you're gonna notice a lot of lunging exercises in this workout. That is because unilateral exercises or movements are very important, beneficial, and sport specific regarding your ability to throw kicks effectively and just having strong legs for Muay Thai, kickboxing, or martial arts. The next exercise we have here is what we call curtsy lunges. So you stand shoulder width apart, right? Like you're doing a curtsy. Again, balance will be an issue at first, but just keep doing them and it'll get better. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternating 2 sets of 10. The next exercise is just standing here. You place your foot here. It's kind of what we did to warm up, but you start at a higher position, so it forces you to lift a bit higher, okay? So we're here. Again, strengthening the abductors. So we're going to do 10. 2 sets of 10 on each leg. Next is a Bulgarian split squat. So I used to struggle with these. I struggle with a lot of these lunges, okay? But by doing them more and more, it really helped my balance and strengthen my legs. When you put your foot back, you want to, top of your foot is flat on the bench, okay? And then it's about finding your balance on this leg where you can comfortably sit back. So I used to go too far. About there I feel comfortable, right? To where I could sit down into this hip. And that's the other thing you want to do is sit into this hip, okay? So you can go here, you can go here. We want to get 10 on each leg, 2 sets. Now the last exercise for this workout are going to be pistol squats. Now, I have no problem admitting that I cannot do clean pistol squats unassisted. For years, I had really no desire to get good at pistol squats. I didn't understand the benefit until my physical therapist, Ross Levine, explained to me why they're important and how beneficial they are to your kicking and, of course, your martial arts by extension. So I started like with the elevated, it looks like this is the 24 inches height, okay? And then it's about learning to lean over your knee when you do it, okay? Now for these are a bit harder and really strenuous. Look, if you're struggling with your knees and other stuff like that, do these on a TRX band, and I'll demonstrate that here in a second. So here are the assisted pistol squats. You get yourself some TRX straps or some Olympic rings, okay? Use them to support you, and then you come down into your pistol squat, right? And you got your upper body to hold you in place so you don't fall, and to assist, okay? Or skip them all together and just do more sets of the other exercises because you got to strengthen your knees first before you try this. Now, with that said also, the rep count's lower. It's not going to be 10, it's going to be 6 or 8 on each leg. Again, leaning over. As you do this workout more and more, you can challenge yourself to go lower each time. So I started with 24 inches, and now this is 20 inches. So basically the regular bench height, which I couldn't do before. So again, Notice I'm still kind of plopping down. You want to have control of the movement all the way down, all the way up, yeah? 6 on each leg, 6 to 8 on each leg. Finishing off with this one, especially if you're doing it assisted, do 3 sets of this one. Now, because there's no weights involved, you don't have progressive overload. So to make the workout more intense as you get stronger at these movements, it won't be about adding more resistance or weight. So it's just about adding more reps or more sets. So instead of 2 sets, you have 3 sets to all the exercises. Instead of 10 reps, you do 12, 16, 20. Don't start jumping too fast. Make sure that you can do the exercises slow and controlled, feeling strong and balanced through the entire movement. Okay, guys, I hope you try that workout. I hope it works for you. And let me know how it goes. Hope you're enjoying the content. Remember, if you want to show your support for the channel, please check out our new swag. Get yourself a Professor Rad shirt. We'd really appreciate it. Other ways you can show support, man, just like and subscribe, man. It costs you nothing, and we appreciate it greatly. That love and support helps us know that we are doing the right thing, and you guys are enjoying everything, and we'll keep it going. All right, guys. We'll continue on with this series, and I'll see you in the next video.